The waterhole looks calm, but danger is lurking just beneath the surface. A pack of African wild dogs is closing in, ready to hunt. Their target? The mighty Sable Antelope. This is not going to be easy. As the wild dogs creep closer, the waterhole seems peaceful, but every muscle in the pack is tense, every eye locked on the black antelope standing tall. This is no ordinary prey. The Sable Antelope is a force to be reckoned with. With horns that can reach up to 165 centimeters, almost as tall as a person, and a body length of nearly 2.5 meters. This giant stands 1.4 meters tall at the shoulder. Males weigh over 230 kilograms. This is a living nightmare for any predator. The wild dogs know this will be tough. They don't rush. Instead, they wait. They plan. The pack strategizes, circling, looking for a weakness. But the Sable Antelope is no rookie. It moves with confidence, ready for every strike. The dogs attack, but the antelope's powerful horns and quick moves keep them at bay. After several attempts, the pack realizes this fight is too dangerous. They give up on the Sable Antelope and turn their attention to a new target, the hippo. But that, too, could be a deadly mistake.